Serua, where the mountains rise, where the river meets the ocean tide. There's a village hiding through. My heart belongs to VUNANIU. Morning sung on the quiet bay, church bells calling to start the day, voices singing, hearts so true. Island life in VUNANIU. No matter where this road may go, one thing in my heart I know. Oh, VUNANIU. Oh, VUNANIU, my home. No matter where in the world I roam, from the mountains down to the sea so blue, my heart will always come back to you. Oh, VUNANIU. With faith and love we'll stand side by side. Through every storm we'll make it through, forever strong. VUNANIU. Children laughing by the riverside, fishermen sailing with the tide. Stories told